A group of 7 adults went to the movies. The total cost of the movie tickets was $30. 30 isn't even divisible by 7, at least evenly. They have given the reason that $30 was the total cost was that some members of the group were senior citizens and so they got to see the movie at half price. How many of the group were senior citizens and how much did the ticket cost for an adult? My first approach would be to form a mathematical equation where x is the number of senior citizens and y is the cost of an adult ticket. Since the cost of senior citizen ticket is half of what it costs for an adult, we get this following equation which sums up to 30. By simplification, we find that y by 2 and x plus 2 into 7 minus x is a factor of 30. We cannot solve for x, but we can solve for y. Y by 2 is a factor of 30 implies the y by 2 can be any of the following values, which means that cost of an adult ticket could be any of these following values. We can directly take out these values of 60, 30 and 20 because that would mean that there couldn't be 7 people in the group and it would not total to 30. Similarly, if we can take out 2 because by having 2 as the cost of an adult ticket and having 1 as a senior citizen, the total would not come to 7 people, it would come much more than that. Of the remaining values, if y by 2 is a 6, that would mean the cost of an adult ticket is 12. The total is 18 and that would leave 12 from 30. The maximum possible people in that scenario is 1 adult citizen and 3 senior citizens. But it would not add up to 7 people, so that case is ruled out. If we have y by 2 as 5, we can find that if we have 1 senior citizen and 1 adult citizen, the total comes up to 15. The remaining 15 could all be senior citizens, but it wouldn't add up to 7 people. If 2 was the price of a senior citizen's ticket, and if we had 1 senior citizen and 1 adult citizen, that the total cost price would come to 6. The remaining 24, even if all of them were adults, we could have 6 adults plus the 2 initial ones, and that would add up to 8. So it wouldn't be 7. The only possible scenario is if y by 2 is 3, and which makes the cost of an adult ticket equal to 6. This leaves us with the answer as 4 senior citizens who paid $3 and 3 remaining people who paid $6 each.